Hello, my name is Manu Agarwal, and I'm here to share with you the new upgrades to the LS-DYNA submission facility in the Oasys Shell 19.0. Oasys Shell provides you with an easy way of accessing each stage of your LS-DYNA analysis, from model setup in Oasys Primer to keyword job submission in LS-DYNA to interrogation and reporting of your results in ttplot, THIS, and Reporter. To know more about the shell, you can view our other release video, the link for which is given in the YouTube description page for this video. Oasys Shell provides you with an advanced submission facility for LS-DYNA analysis. The LS-DYNA submission panel in the shell gives you an easy access to all the various options that are available when submitting a single or even multiple keyword files for LS-DYNA simulation. In Oasys Shell 19.0, this submission facility has undergone major upgrades where you can now set default LS-DYNA executable related options using the shell preferences. You can also specify the path to MPI executable while performing the LS-DYNA MPP submission. These default options can be edited using the preferences editor from within the shell. The preferences can also be saved for the currently selected DYNA executable related options by pressing the Save to OA Pref button on the LS-DYNA submission panel. In Oasys Shell 19.0, you can now also review the LS-DYNA related command line options. This can be done before actual LS-DYNA job submission. The command line options can be previewed in the concise expression format or even in the detailed preview mode. You can also edit these options and values in a text editor. The editor will allow provisions to add some new LS-DYNA command line options that may or may not be supported in the shell menus. Now let's take a look at the quick demo of this LS-DYNA submission facility in the Oasys Shell 19.0. We are going to perform a single precision MPP LS-DYNA submission. As we can see, the default LS-DYNA executable has been already set from the shell preferences. The MPI type is IMPI. The number of CPUs has been set as 2. We are going to try and edit some of the command line options from this shell. The command line preview looks like this, and like this in the detailed preview. We are going to try and perform an mcheck option. As we can see, the mcheck has been added into the command line preview and in the concise format. We are going to try and edit the command line options via the text editor. We have now added a contact force size option and an unknown new DYNA option. We are going to save the file and exit. Shell informs that there is an unknown option, new DYNA option. We press OK. As we can see, the contact force file has been checked on. It has been added into the expression and in the detailed preview as well. Now we press submit. In the output folders, we can see the CTF files and all the other DYNA related files have been generated. In the LS-DYNA submission panel, we can see that latest submitted command line expressions and the input files have been added into a newly added top-down menus. These menus are going to be available in the subsequent sessions of the shell as well. So this is about the DYNA submission. For further information, you can refer to our YouTube channel or also look at the shell manuals. Thank you.